Good morning, everyone. Class 6, it's your maths class, unit number 3. Already we done in arithmetic portion 2 units. Now today we start third unit number 3, factors and multiples. Just your homework, understand the definition and copy in your arithmetic register. Is it clear? So first write down heading factor. The definition of factor: a factor of a whole number is any whole number that divides into it exactly, leave no remainder. It means no remainder is left. Second one, whole number start from 0. Okay, the definition is still here. So the whole number start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. All numbers are included in whole numbers. So factors. Suppose factors of 15, it's given in your book itself, 15 and 1. Now 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So 15 comes in table of 1, table of 2 or 3, table of 5 and table of 15. So factors of 15s are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So factors of 25s are 1, 5 and 25. 1 25 is 25, 5 5 is 25 and 25 1s are 25. So it's up to you, take any other example. For example, factors of 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. Now next heading, multiples. Write down heading multiple. Two whole numbers are multiplied, the product is also a multiply of those numbers. All the answers in a multiple table are multiplies of the two numbers. For example is given in your book, 5 and 3. 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. Of if we multiply 5 3s are, again we get same number, 5 3s are 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. In both the tables, 3 and 5, 15 comes 3 times and 5 times. 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. Girls, it's up to you, write any one example. No need to copy 2 or 3 examples. One example is enough. Just write down the definition and copy one example. After a definition of factor, multiple, now multiple of 4, write down the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, dot, so on. Multiple of 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All are multiple of 5. So write any one example. Clear? So both definitions done. Now next heading, square number. Square number means same number multiplied by same time. It's called square number. When a number is multiplied by itself, for example is given 1. 1 1s are 1. Small square means same number multiplied by same time. Suppose 2 is given, so 2 2s are 4. 2 whole square, so square root 4. 2 2s are 4. For example, 5 is given, 5 whole power 0, power 2, 5 power 2. It means 5 we have 2 times, so 5 5s are 25. So a square number, same number multiply by same time, itself multiply. So when a number is multiplied by itself, the answer is called a square number. Clear? The definition of square number. Write any one example. For example, 5 square is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Okay, it's up to you. Write any one example. These definitions are given page number 31 in Maths Wise book. Now next heading, write down even number. Even number pair wise. Okay, a numbers are multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 or pair, both are same. So multiple of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 22, 34. Okay, so all are even numbers. So write down heading, even numbers are multiple of 2. Write down example. Now next page, page number 33, the heading is given odd number. Odd number means not a pair. Odd number cannot be paired and therefore are not multiple of 2. For example, after 2 is a pair, so it's even number. 3 not a pair, it's called odd number. In 3 we have 2 digit or 2 we have pair, 1 is single. Like example is given, if we have in my hand 5 fingers, so we have 2 pairs, fifth one is single or alone, so it's not a pair. So if 5 is an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 2 bicycle, it's called pair. Now next one